love story tell about the two lover Princess Alia Jane and Prince Sherlock. The author, Rogelia Candari Antaran. Once upon a time, there's a tiny house in the city. The Princess Alia Jane and Prince Sherlock meet nearly in the first time in an unexpected way. They look at each other, but that day, one witch lady hold his arms. She liked him so much. But that time, the tomato witch have one child already and she know she have complicated relationship. But the problem is, she didn't love her first boyfriend. After second day, the Princess Alia Jane see each other again, but Tomato Witch is always holding Prince Sherlock's arms. The reason why the princess and prince cannot talk each other because of Tomato Witch always stop them. One day, the Tomato Witch invite Princess Alia Jane to sleep over to her own tiny house. Princess Alia Jane's she go together with her. Then she is there in front of door. She feel shocked that princess saw him again. Princess Alia Jane feel shy to herself that she didn't believe in her eyes that's her crush Prince Sherlock is there in front of her. She stepped backward when Prince Sherlock opened the door. He said to Princess Alia Jane, "Come in please, don't shy." Prince Sherlock asking Princess, "Do you want me to go out?" "No, it's okay, just stay there. I will come in." She smiled him back and she said to the prince, "Thank you." After a while, there's a smile, secret silent mood. They both know that if they talk too much, the ugly tomato witch will getting mad to them. The Prince Sherlock said he will cook a green banana. The princess said, "I will do that for you." But Prince said, "No, I don't want that you do this for me, but I can do for you." The princess smiled him back. She thinks she is the most lucky person in earth. They feel both in love to each other and dream to have a happy big family with lots of princes and friends, kids that they can live ever after. The end.